Oh, nice and comfy last night. I'm gonna try to get into this next little town and get a couple uploads off. Forgot to get wet wipes yesterday too. Little helicopters. This hostel lady said I could use her Wi-Fi. She might not be home, but said she's about 0.5 off the trail. I'll go give it a shot. Beautiful little spot. Beautiful little spot over here. Quick uploads. Lady gave me a Coke as soon as I got on the porch. Glad I made the walk. No, I think I'm good. Thank you though. A nice little area. Very pretty. Bathroom area. Yeah, guys, so if y'all are on trail and you're looking to splurge a little bit, this might be your spot right here. I recommend checking it out. Really glad I walked over here.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
You're also being recorded. So the lady had to go run some errands in town, and she told me the security system like gets her porch and stuff, but I could hang out over here, and they had some outlets, so that's what I did. She also gave me some cream, making this instant coffee way better. Charging my batteries up. Have no clue where I'm going for today. I'm just gonna start walking. Got uploads up, got batteries charged, got food ready to go. Wet wipes. Could use some wet wipes, but I have a toilet paper stash. Ready to rock and roll. Shoving off. Really grateful for this little spot. Not just the uploads, but the water as well. She said she'd bring me back to trail if I was still here when she got back, but can't wait to get on the road again. Back on trail. I forgot to mention this yesterday, but Optimus is a photographer, and he's taking all kinds of sweet pictures. I'm gonna leave his information in the description. Y'all can check him out. Hostile lady just met me here at Smith Gap with my 1/8 inch. Left it right over there when I took off. I don't know if I told y'all, but the first trail name suggested to me was Yard Sale. Definitely hung right here in 2021. Got a nice picture of that, probably on Instagram still. No one was on trail, so there was a bunch of times when I just strung right across trail.
this is Grape. He has an Instagram channel where he's posting every day too. I'm stoked to get to link up and talk to him for a little bit. I'm gonna drop his information in the description so y'all can check him out. It was cool meeting Grape and the gang. Been hearing about him for a while. Well, Leo told me about him. Watched a couple of videos. Definitely quality. I think I'm at about 13.5 for official miles today. It was about a mile off trail to get to that hostel, so 14.15 official, unofficial. But they got this little town coming up, and I think I'm gonna just walk into the town, this little tavern, and get a little bite to eat and some water while I'm there, because all the water sources around here are just as far as that tavern is. So might as well get some food while I'm there. I wonder what kind of snake you are. Almost stepped right on you. I don't think you're like a copperhead though. Just a little tiny black snake. Scared me though because he was so small. Well, he's got that white ring behind his head. Does anybody know what kind this is? Drop it in the comments if you do. He is tiny for reference. Alright, dude. Alright, I'm trying to psych myself up for this road walk. I do not like walking on fast highways. Making it over to this little tavern, about to get me a bite to eat, refill my water, maybe a Sammy, maybe a quesadilla. Just saw some lightning flash. Might be an interesting video tonight. All right. I've been asking for it. Looks like we got ourselves a little thunderstorm. Did I say I like smoking lightning? Heavy metal thunder? The owner said I was more than welcome to sleep on the deck. I said Mother Nature's been way too nice to me. Definitely coming down. Finally got a rainstorm here. We're gonna call this one Dark Side of the Mountain. Shout out Matt and Jane. I was gonna camp here at the Gap, but I'm gonna look and see where the next shelter's at. Screen's wet. Can't really see anything right now, but I got the tarp up. About to get dry and then get the bivvy down. So the the bivvy system went up really nice and the rain wasn't too bad. It was a nice little rainstorm, but Yeah, it ended quick. I got on after I got the tarp up, I got everything set up and I took my clothes off and I was just sitting here drip drying. So I called Apollo and we talked for a little bit. And I called Hot T too, and then he called me back and I talked to him. So I was sitting here drip drying and I had some conversation. Really grateful. But yeah, the rain quit before I got off the phone, so I didn't even get to film anything while I'm under the bivvy here with the rain. Still got the tarp pretty high and it kept everything dry, like way higher than a normal tent. So yeah, rainstorm number 1 set up with the bivvy system. I'm still sold.
Definitely a good day. I think Leo told me about Grape, so I was looking forward to meeting him for a while, and or at least a few days now. I watched a few videos. I think it's really cool that he's posting every day too, or trying to post, staying just like one day behind, about as close as you can get. So I didn't expect to see him. I thought they were further back, or I don't know. And I almost missed them. When I dropped in at the hostel, they went by, and then they stopped for a break, and I caught up with them. So it was cool.